Good morning, everybody. Okay, so today I want to start off with the technique of doing the perfect push-up. Okay, that's going to be important because if you can do that one motion, it's so good for strengthening all these different muscles. This muscle here, the triceps, your deltoids, your shoulders, your pecs here, the muscles in your back, little muscles in between your ribs. So it's wonderful. Just that one motion really is so helpful. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is a plank. Okay, so get in a plank position, and your plank must be completely straight. It can't be sway back. It can't be up here like this. It can't be with your knees touching the ground. It has to be completely straight, like a board, or what they call a plank. Okay, so from here, if you're wearing a hat, that's probably the easiest way to identify how far down you should go. Because when I wear my hat, I go down so I hit the bill of my cap to the ground. And the only joint that moves is the elbow. And I keep my back completely straight. Okay? So if you, let's talk about if you can't do that. There's a couple things you can do. You can get on a step leading upstairs. Okay, you can get on the first step or the second step. You keep your back completely straight and you do the push-up just like that, kind of a little elevated. That takes a little bit of the weight off your arms. If you can't do that, get on your knees and again, move the only joint that moves is your elbows, and do your push-ups like that. When you get strong enough, as these muscles start to develop, you're going to be able to do it either on an elevated step or on the ground. And what I'd like you to do is do as many as you can to a point. I don't want anybody to go ahead and max out, as they say, and hurt themselves, but I would like you to do it to a effort level that's about 70%, okay? For me, that's about 20 push-ups, so I'm gonna do mine. You can do yours. Okay, great. Okay, so here's how we're going to finish. I have five exercises we're going to do. We're going to do each one for a minute. We're going to do it for 40 seconds and then rest for 20. 40 seconds, exercise, rest for 20, go on to the next one. Okay, so we're going to go from, let's get ready for our mountain climbers. 40 seconds and then 20 seconds rest. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Keep it up. Only got 20 more seconds to go. Ten more. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, excellent. So stay here, and we're going to get ready for sit-ups. Now, if you need to hook your legs under the couch, go ahead and do that. If not, bend your knees. Okay, I like to keep my hands here and just sit up and do them slowly. If you need to help a little bit by going underneath your knees and helping your body up, do that. Okay, the other thing I didn't tell you, and you should be doing this on a carpet or at least on a towel. So you're backside doesn't get hurt. I'm on the grass. It's not too hard. 10 more seconds. One more. Excellent. Okay. Okay, we'll rest for a little bit, and then we're going to do a sumo sit. We don't need a wall for today. You're just going to join me in the sumo sit, wherever you're at. Ready, 3, 2, 1, and sit. And I'd like you to have almost a 90-degree angle on your knees. Good. Now, if you want, do a little sumo jump. Pretty hard. Okay, the next one, let's go and rest for 20. Let's rest for 20, 10 more seconds. We're gonna do a reverse tabletop. We're gonna make a table with our belly. Okay, so ready? Reach up, get in this position, see if you can get your hips up, and then hold them there. Okay, for the last 20 seconds, let's do this. Reach up one leg, extend that leg up, straighten it. Oh, before I forget, next class, bring a basketball. I'm going to show you just a couple of basketball drills you can practice. Okay, that's good. Stay on the ground. We're going to end with the plank. No, maybe 2 more. But I want you to bring a basketball. I'll show you a few drills you can go outside and practice. Okay, ready? Let's get into a plank and let's get on our elbows. Remember to keep your knees up. Don't let your hips sway down. Ten more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Okay. One more after we rest. Let's see how we're doing on time. Perfect. Just have enough time to do jumping jacks. Okay, ready? I'm only doing for 30 seconds. Okay, ready and go. Should be able to do maybe 30. 1 a second. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and that's good. Okay, so I'm going to stop the tape. I'm going to get ready for my yoga. You can go get a drink of water, take a little bit of break, but come back. Definitely, I'll explain to you why ending with yoga is just so good.